Welcome to Laredo College, where passion meets purpose. Our emergency medical services program is designed to prepare you for a career in saving lives.
At Laredo College, we provide hands-on training with state-of-the-art technology and experienced instructors.
From real-world simulations to in-depth coursework, we ensure you're ready to handle any emergency situation.
The program has given me the skills and confidence to make a difference. The instructors are amazing and the experience is very invaluable.
Whether you're interested in becoming an EMT or advancing to a paramedic, our program provides a clear pathway to success.
We emphasize teamwork, critical thinking, professionalism to prepare you for your real-life challenges.
Our graduates go on to work in hospitals, fire departments, and ambulance services, making a real impact in their communities. Join the ranks of EMS professionals trained at Laredo College.